Guys, Bell37 here with another computer tutorial, what you should buy kind of guide thingy. Today we're going to be going over the best $300 computer you could buy. I don't have money, so I can't buy it, but we're just going to go over it on the Amazon.com cart. The total price here is $290.52. This order does not contain a gift, but let's get started. So first, we went with a little bit of a risky move buying such a cheap motherboard, but it is ASRock, so it can't be terrible. It's the ASRock B450M HDV. It supports Ryzen or any AM4 CPUs as it is, and we went with an APU here just to save some money. We went with the Ryzen 3 2200G. Has Vega 8 graphics, which are basically the GT 1030. We also have 8 gigabytes of RAM, clocked at 2400 megahertz. This is DDR4. This is one stick. We have a 400 watt EVGA power supply. We have a Rosewill FBM01 mini ATX case. I just said mini ATX, micro ATX case, and we have a 240 gigabyte A400 SSD, which is it's a little bit. I mean, you could get like more storage if you wanted, but it would be a hard drive and that would be slow. The SSD is going to be fast, and you can upgrade for about $20. You can get a 320 gigabyte hard drive if you feel the need. Now let's go to some benchmarks. We're going to start with Fortnite. All games are going to be low at 1080p just because that seems very common. So Fortnite low 1080p, you should get a 58.9 frame rate, so basically 60. PUBG, you'll get 37. CSGO, you'll get 97. GTA, you'll get 37. League of Legends, you'll get 100. Overwatch, you'll get 60. 59.3. Battlefield 1, you'll get 39. The Witcher 3, you'll get 36. Dota 2, you'll get 50. World of Warcraft, you'll get 40. World of Tanks, you'll get 77. And Battlefield 4, low 1080p, you'll get 60. So that's definitely not bad. Yeah, it's. I mean, you can't really complain. This is under $300. But I mean, it's pretty much the best money's gonna buy you for under $300 if you want to get into some light gaming. I had essentially the same setup. I had a slightly better motherboard, and I had 8 gigabytes of RAM with a 120 gigabyte SSD. Well, I had 2 sticks of memory, and it was very decent performance actually. I was getting like 80 FPS on Fortnite. I was getting 60 on GTA. So user benchmark's not 100% correct. I was also getting about 130 on CSGO, which maybe I wasn't. I don't know what I was getting. Maybe there's something up. I don't know. Either way, this is gonna be a really good buy for $290. This is staying under the $300 mark, which is really good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bell37 out.